Okay, I had to restart that. Had a little bit of a glitch. So this is the inside of the tent. Looks fine. See, good, flat, big enough. That's looking from the top of my head. Still lots of room. Yeah. Oh, a little walk around the tent. Oh, looks pretty good. Zippy pocket. There's a good start. Yeah, looks good. Oh, there's another little zippy pocket. Keep all flames away. Okay, that's it. Coleman Instant Tent, 14 by 18, and a little lantern hook, and I'm happy with it.